In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a SharePoint link. This is a valuable skill that helps you collaborate efficiently with others. Let's dive right in. First, open the Office file you wish to share. This might be a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, or a PowerPoint presentation. Opening the file first ensures that you are working directly within the document you want to share. It also allows you to verify that everything is ready for viewing by others. Take a moment to scan through the file to make sure all is in order. Once the file is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You will see a button labeled Share. Click on this button. It's crucial because this is your gateway to sharing the file with others. The Share button is designed to be easy to find so you can quickly invite others to view or edit your work. After clicking Share, a menu will appear with several options. From here, click on the option that says Copy Link. This action generates a shareable link to the document. This link is what you will use to distribute access to your file. Copying the link is a straightforward way to share because it allows for flexibility in how you distribute it. Now, before you go ahead and send this link, let's take a moment to adjust the permissions if needed. This step is vital because it determines what kind of access the recipients will have. You may choose to allow editing, or you might prefer to restrict them to viewing only. Adjusting permissions ensures that your document remains secure and is used in the way you intend. Once you have set the permissions to your satisfaction, it's time to send the link. You can paste it into an email, or you might choose to share it on social media platforms. This flexibility means you can reach your audience wherever they are most active. Sharing through email is often more direct and personal, while social media can reach a wider audience quickly. Keep in mind that sharing a link through email or social media is not just about convenience, it's also about maintaining control over who accesses your documents. Always ensure you're sending it to the right people to avoid unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your SharePoint link and can now collaborate seamlessly with others. Remember, sharing documents effectively can greatly enhance teamwork and productivity. By mastering this process, you make sure that everyone stays informed and can contribute as needed. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Keep practicing, and soon sharing SharePoint links will become second nature. Until next time, happy sharing!